Dates are not as easy as they sound, especially if you deal with documents sent by others. Should you use dd/mm/yy or mm/dd/yy? Do they enter slashes, dashes, or dots? Date Picker, a pop-up Excel calendar, makes it easy to work with dates in Excel. This quick start tutorial shows you how to install and use the Microsoft Store edition of Date Picker. This is what you see when Date Picker launches for the first time. Go to the Purchase/Support tab. Make sure the licensing status shows subscribed. If not, click the subscribe button to subscribe from Microsoft Store. Open an Excel file. Click a date value, or a cell where you want to enter a date value. A little pop-up icon appears next to the cell. Click the icon button. A calendar appears. Click a date on the calendar. The date value appears in the cell. That's it. It's simple to use. Now let's explore how to set the options for the Date Picker. Click Options on the Calendar toolbar. This shows the settings window. The settings window contains 2 pages, Calendar, Date Picker. Move the settings window a little so that it doesn't cover the existing calendar window. From the Width drop-down list, choose 3. From the Height drop-down list, choose 2. From the Number of past months to show, choose 2. Notice the calendar is updated instantly. By default, the calendar uses Windows theme colors. Choose No from the Use Windows Theme Colors drop-down list. The presets and the color options are enabled. Choose Autumn from the Presets drop-down list. Click the color bar near Border Color. This shows Windows Standard Color Picker. Choose a new color for the calendar border. Click OK to close the color dialog box. The calendar is updated instantly. Click Add Current Colors as a preset. Enter the name for the preset color Autumn 2. This adds a new preset to the presets drop-down list. In the Week Numbers section, choose Yes to show week numbers. Click OK on the toolbar to close the settings window. Push down to display this picker automatically on the toolbar. This makes the calendar show automatically. Click on several date cells. Notice the new options are all applied. Click the Settings button on the pop-up Calendar ribbon tab. Go to the Date Picker page. Click Set Date Text. Enter birthday into the text box. Click Add. Click OK to close the Set Date text window. Click OK to close the settings window. Now click an empty cell on the sheet, enter the text birthday. Click the cell underneath birthday. The calendar appears. This means the text birthday is now recognized as a date text. In this tutorial, we go through the steps of basic usage of pop-up calendar/date picker. Visit our website at boostexcel.com for more information. Subscribe from Microsoft Store for a 1-week fully functional trial.